The question based on triangle ABC completely depends on median. Okay, what are vertices? A given as 2, 3, 5. B given as -1, 3, 2. C given as lambda, comma, 5, comma, mu. Now AD, right? What is ADM? AD is median. So median means this AD point is exactly midpoint of BC. Okay. So observe solution given that AD is median. Okay. So median through A, which is ADM. If AD is median, what is the midpoint of BC? D is, you can write midpoint of BC. All you know midpoint formula. X1 plus X2 by 2, comma, Y1 plus Y2 by 2, comma, Z1 plus Z2 by 2. Okay. So D point is lambda minus 1 by 2, comma, 8 by 2, 4. Now AD making equally inclined with coordinate axis. Okay, so first to find this is DM. What is given A? We got a D point. Given A vertices as 2, 3, 5. Now find the DRs, direction ratios of A, which is equal to lambda minus 1 by 2 minus 2, comma, 4 minus 3, comma, mu plus 2 by 2 minus 5. Okay. So lambda minus 1 by 2, 2 is LCM. Lambda minus 1 minus 4. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. Mu plus 2 minus 10 by 2 LCM. 2 minus 10 minus 8. DRs. Now these are equally inclined with coordinate axis. Now apply the concept here. What is the concept here? The median is making equal angles. Equally inclined means making equal angles. Okay, equally inclined on each other with coordinate axis, and this median making equal angles with coordinate axis. If this makes equal angles with coordinate axis, therefore all DRs should be equal. Hyphen. This point itself important. Now equate చేసి what is lambda, what is mu చేయండి. Okay, now you can find the lambda and mu. So first two equal చేయండి. You get lambda is equal to lambda minus 5 equal to lambda equals 7. E2 equal చేయండి, cross multiply 2 is equal mu minus 8, mu is equal 2 plus 8 which is 10. Lambda 7 mu 10 అయిపోయింది ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్. ఇప్పుడు ఫైనల్ గా మనకి ఏం కావాలి? లాంబ్డా క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ mu క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ 5 which is what? 7 cube plus 10 cube plus 5. Okay, 7 cube plus 10 cube plus 5, calculate చేయండి. This total value gives as 1348. Good question, easy one. Just note it down. If you have any doubt, you can ask.